Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the hard reset of your LG G6. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we need to turn off our device like this, power off. But if we want to turn off device but it won't because you want to draw your pattern, there is one trick. The trick is needed if you have a newest version of Android. So press and hold volume down and power button together, pick, still holding, 1 second, done, still holding volume down and release, power button, hold, release, all that. I'm gonna repeat you. When phone gonna be restart, release for 1 second this button and press it one more time. Then you should see the factory data reset option, which we're gonna choose by clicking volume down and accept by power on the yes. One more time, yes. And now phone gonna be erase all data with all the password on the phone, and we're gonna be start with the new brand firmware on it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.